Welcome. I'm going to show you how you can prioritize your tasks from Asana, Trello, or Jira using the Eisenhower matrix method, and how to do it in your Messenger in Slack or Telegram. It's much simpler and more convenient to prioritize your tasks in your Messenger, especially when you have many tasks, because the Smart app focuses on each task by showing them one by one. At the end of this process, you'll receive a well-formatted prioritized task list. Plus, you can share the prioritized task list with your team if you want. To get gentle reminders to do regular prioritizations and keep your tasks updated, you can set up scheduled notifications. Plus, you can keep your team informed on project tasks, but we will come back to this a little later. So, in this video, I will show how to install the Smart app and how it works. In the next part, we will explore how to apply a Smart app for individual usage or your team. And in the last part of the video, we will see configuration tips and tricks of the Eisenhower Matrix Smart app. Let's dive in. You need a Tasks Ninja account first to install the Prioritization Smart app based on the Eisenhower Matrix. You can register your account through the registration page, or if you already have an account, you can log in. Now, after registration, you are on the page with a list of all Smart apps. At this point, we would like to install a Smart app for task prioritization based on the Eisenhower Matrix. Please click to install Smart apps one by one, and then click on Prioritize Tasks by the Eisenhower Matrix. Next, let's connect the Smart app with the Task Manager. Tasks Ninja is currently integrated with 3 task managers: Asana, Trello, and Jira. At this step, we are connecting Tasks Ninja with Asana account. Let's go through the authorization process. Now, we need to pick a workspace. After that, it provides you with a choice of boards you want to connect to this Smart app. Okay, let's connect a board called Project Plan. In the next step, you can choose the tasks from the columns that you are interested in prioritizing. At this stage, you can select which tasks you want to use with this Smart app. These tasks can include those assigned to all users, only tasks assigned to you, tasks from multiple users, or tasks from a specific user. Currently, I am selecting tasks from all users. Now, let's connect to the Messenger. Task Ninja supports 2 messenger options: Telegram and Slack. Currently, I use Telegram. I press Say Hi to the Telegram bot. Next, I switch to Telegram and press Start. I choose the language. After that, I return to the user portal. The bot has been successfully connected. Hooray! Now, I need to add the bot to a group chat where I will receive information about prioritization, such as reports with prioritized tasks and notifications inviting me to prioritize tasks. We will see later how it works. Let me create a group chat called Matrix eTasks. And let's add Tasks Ninja bot to this newly created group chat. If you have an existing group chat where you are not an admin, I will show in the end of the video how to do that. On the next step, Tasks Ninja recommends creating a group chat for completed tasks and adding the bot to that group chat. At this step, I can choose the name of the Smart app as well as how the button in the bot will be named. I can also configure the days and time when the invitation to prioritize tasks will be sent. In my case, I choose to prioritize my tasks on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 in the morning. You have the option to choose whether to receive an invitation to prioritize or a list of tasks. I choose to receive an invitation to prioritize. To complete the setup, I simply click Hooray! On this page, you will find all the settings you have made, and you can change them at any time. And that's it. That was the complete process of installing the Smart app using a step-by-step wizard. Now we know how to install the Eisenhower Matrix Smart App. Let's see how it works. I'm ready to prioritize my tasks. I currently have 5 tasks in my Asana. How can I do this? There are several ways to launch the Smart App. The first way is to launch it by clicking the Launch Smart App button right in the user portal. The second way is to use a permanent link to your Smart App. You can also prioritize tasks by responding to the invitation that will be sent to you in the chat, based on the schedule and parameters you've set here. The easiest way to launch the Smart App is to do it from the bot in your chat. Here's what the bot's main screen looks like. Let's open my Smart Apps. Here there's prioritization by the Eisenhower Matrix. Let's launch it. If we want, we can display all tasks before prioritizing them by clicking the button Show Tasks. Now, you can see a small reminder of what each priority means. Let me prioritize my tasks now. And here, you see that I have 5 tasks. Each task has a link to the task manager. In my case, it's a link to the task in Asana. So, I can assign a priority to each of my tasks. I would mark this task as important and urgent. The next task I marked as important and not urgent. Similarly, I assign priorities to my other tasks. And here, the Smart App creates a list of my tasks, grouped by priorities for me. I can also add a task if you have connected the Smart App for creating tasks. Also, I can create a task as a note without creating a task in the Task Manager. Additionally, I can share my task list in the group chat I've configured before, or I can choose Leave it to me. Let me share it. Here's my prioritized task list in the group chat right after I shared it. Now let's explore how to apply a Smart App for individual usage or for your team, and how it can benefit your work. With this Smart App, you can easily decide what to do first and what to leave for later, especially when you have a lot of tasks. It allows you to go through each task, assign it a priority, and as a result, you have a list of tasks organized from the most important and urgent to the least important and non-urgent. You can prioritize tasks in your favorite messenger using this Smart App. This allows you to focus on one task at a time and assign a priority to every task on your list. And how to keep tasks updated in your Task Manager with this Smart App. You can set up notifications to regularly remind you to prioritize tasks, helping you keep your Task Manager consistently updated. Smart App helps to reduce stress from a large number of tasks by getting tasks one by one for prioritizing them. This way, you can focus on one task at a time and not be overwhelmed by a long task list. With this approach, you can ensure that all tasks receive attention, which is particularly helpful when dealing with a large number of tasks. Smart App helps you share with the team member their tasks with actual established priorities. You can install a Smart App and prioritize tasks for a specific team member or some team members, helping them to focus on the most urgent and important tasks. Also, with this Smart App, you can inform your team about their tasks daily or weekly. When you prioritize tasks, you can mark them as completed by clicking the Completed button. Due to two-way synchronization, tasks will also be marked as completed in your Task Manager. Additionally, you'll receive notifications in the Completed Tasks chat about these completed tasks. You can create tasks during the prioritization process with this Smart App. If you don't have a certain task on your list, or you want to create a new task, during prioritization, you can create it by clicking on the Add Task button. We've covered the main ways to use this Smart App, but we're sure you'll discover more ways to apply it. We'd love to hear about your ways to use it, so please feel free to share them with us in the comments section of the video. Let's explore configuration tips and tricks of the Smart App for task prioritization based on the Eisenhower Matrix. On the user portal, in the settings of this Smart App, there are several options for configuration. Let's explore them all. The first configuring option is how a task will look in my task list for prioritization. We can show or hide. Project, assignee, due date, column. This is how a task looks like when everything is on. Let's see how the task list will look without additional parameters. As you can see, currently, there is a minimal view of the task. The next setting is whether to display the task description or not. I select to display the task description. Let's see how the task looks with it. Let's move on to the next fine-tuning option and see how to navigate from the bot to the Smart App settings. I am in a group chat and want to see which Smart Apps are installed here. I can do this by using the command status. And here is a link to navigate to this Smart App in the user portal, where I can change the settings of this Smart App. The next fine-tuning option is the ability to move tasks on the board based on changes in priorities. How does it work? We can configure the Smart App to move tasks to specific columns in the Task Manager based on their priority. For example, we can create a rule to move tasks to a specific column based on the status change in the Smart App. Let's create a rule so that when we mark a task as important and urgent, it will move to in progress. Now, I will prioritize the tasks using the Smart App. Let's see how tasks move from one board column to another after prioritization. And here it is. 2 tasks have moved from to-do to in progress. How to connect a Smart App to a group chat in Telegram if you don't see your group chat in the list. This might happen if you're not an administrator of the group chat or if you're using an older version of Telegram. Let me show you how to add the bot manually. To do this, just manually add Tasks Ninja Bot as a member to the group chat during Smart App installation. Then, back to the user portal, and we see that the Tasks Ninja Bot has been added successfully. We do the same with the Direct Bot, manually adding the Tasks Ninja Direct Bot to the group chat. Perfect. The next fine-tuning option of this Smart App is that if we mark a task as completed during prioritization, it will also be marked as completed in the Task Manager. Let's do that. And a notification about the completed task will be sent to the dedicated or the same chat for notifications about completed tasks. Let's say we want to prioritize tasks from multiple boards in a Task Manager. There are 2 boards in my Task Manager now, Project Plan and Project 1, and I'd like to prioritize tasks where I'm assigned. Let's install the Smart App specifically for prioritizing tasks from multiple boards. At this step, I add a new connection with my Asana and pick a workspace. Next, we need to pick 2 boards and columns from which we want to prioritize tasks. When you decide to change the structure of your board columns or add new columns, if this checkbox is selected, new columns will be automatically added to your connection with the Task Manager. At this step, I select tasks assigned to me. Then, we need to connect the Smart App to Messenger. I connect it to my Telegram. Now we need to add a bot to a group chat where we will receive a prioritized task list and notifications inviting us to prioritize tasks. Let's add the Tasks Ninja Bot to a new group called All My Projects. Group chat for tasks is connected. Perfect. Notifications about completed tasks will be sent to the chat for completed tasks. At this step, I can change the name of the Smart App, as well as how the button in the bot will be named. Let's configure the days and time for sending my task list to group chat. I set it to be sent every Monday at 9 in the morning. Hooray! The Smart App is installed. Let's launch the All My Projects Smart app and click Show All Tasks. Here we can see tasks assigned to me from both connected boards. Now I can prioritize them. Let's move on to the next fine-tuning option. Here, we can select to receive notifications inviting us to prioritize tasks or to receive the task list. I click Send Notification to receive a task list to check how it looks. Here is the notification with the list of tasks in my chat. Looks great. To receive the invitation to prioritize tasks, we can select to invite to do Smart App process. Let's check how it works. Here is a notification with an invitation to prioritize my tasks, and I can start prioritizing them. Additionally, I can use variables to customize the invitation to prioritize tasks. Let's prioritize your tasks based on the Eisenhower matrix. Let's change the standard text of the invitation and add there the amount of tasks. Let's see how it looks. Hooray! Here is the notification. Let's prioritize your tasks by the Eisenhower matrix. There are 4 tasks waiting for you. Now, let's configure where to receive notifications. There are 3 options where we can receive them. In the group chat where the Smart app is installed, in the Tasks Ninja bot, and in the inbox of the Tasks Ninja bot. Let's select to receive notifications in the inbox of the Tasks Ninja bot. Here is a notification in my inbox inviting me to prioritize my tasks. Now let's select to receive the notification in the Tasks Ninja bot and click Send the notification. And here in the bot, I received an invitation to prioritize my tasks. How to stop notifications? There are several options for how to do it. One option is to select to receive notifications in your inbox. Then, whenever you need these notifications, you can easily access them in your inbox. The second option is to simply turn off notifications by clicking Do Not Send Any Notifications. The third option is to disable notifications in case there is no activity on the Smart app. How does it work? If you receive an invitation to prioritize tasks 10 times, but prioritization hasn't been done, then after the 10th time, notifications will be stopped. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Are you ready to become a Tasks Ninja? Start your free 14-day trial today and discover how to boost your productivity. It's simple and no credit card is required. Just register your account on the Tasks Ninja platform and install your first Smart app. Then, start using it and explore other Smart apps available on the platform. Start your journey with Tasks Ninja today.